Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this faux snow Dollar Tree wreath. So if you want to see how I made it, then keep on watching.
For this project, you're going to need scissors, a rotary cutter, like always, a hot glue gun. You're also going to need a 14-inch wire frame from Dollar Tree. This is a ornament from Dollar Tree. It's just a cute little sleigh with burlap on it. This is a yard stake from Walmart, which was $1. Yep, 98 cents. And all I've done is rip the wood stake off the back of it. You're going to need 3 rolls of this decorative mesh that has snow on it. You're going to need 2 rolls of this red mesh. And then I have this ribbon from Walmart. And then you will also need pipe cleaners. The first thing you're going to need to do is cut your mesh. So for each section of the wreath, we're going to need 3 bunches of decorative mesh. So that means that you need 18 cuts of the red and 18 cuts of the snowflake or faux snow. And we want these at just about 12 inches long. So I'm going to go ahead and cut 18 pieces of the red and 18 pieces of the white. You're going to need a lot more of these white rolls than you will of the red, just because there's not as much on the white ones. So I'm going to go ahead and get all this cut up. All of the mesh is cut. So the way that we're going to do our bundles for this one, we're going to use a ruffle method, but we're not going to alternate our color patterns. So walk your fingers up the mesh, and with this snowflake mesh, it makes this beautiful pronounced little ribbon-like thing. Because this is more like tulle than it is mesh, so I'm going to take a pipe cleaner. It's black, but it doesn't matter. And I'm just going to go over the top, pull this up, and twist. And whatever way our mesh is going, so it's going this way, that's the way that I'm going to turn these pipe cleaners. And then I'll take a piece of the red mesh, and we're going to do the same exact thing. Walk our fingers up it and see how this looks different than the other mesh does. It's different material. So we're going to take this and lay it across the other way. So now we have a little bouquet, and we want all of the bunches to have this white on top because we want the snowfall effect. So we'll need 12 bunches just like that, and then we're gonna need 6 bunches with the accent ribbon on it. So again, just gonna go ahead and bunch this up. There it is. I think this is my favorite air quotes mesh that Dollar Tree has ever put out. I do enjoy the faux snow mesh from AC Moore, so it's nice that we can get it in a smaller roll at a 6-inch size instead of a 10-inch size. So there's that. I messed that up because I was talking. So snowflake, let's start over. I'm talking and not paying attention. So snowflake, there it is. Here's a piece of the ribbon. So we're gonna put this on top of that and do the same exact thing. I don't know why my lighting is all messed up right now. I think it might have to do with what time of day it is. And then I'll take the red, do the same thing, And now we have a bunch with, there we go, with the accent ribbon on it. So we need 6 of these, 12 of the others. All right, so all of the bunches are now made. So we have oh, there goes my dog. 12 of this plain bundle, and then we have 6 with ribbon on it. So for each section here, we're gonna do 2 plain bundles and a ribbon bundle. So I'm just gonna flip it over, and we're gonna work on these 2 center wires right here. All I'm gonna do is put 1 pipe cleaner on one side, 1 on the other, so it holds in the center, and twist. Now here's our ribbon one. And twist. Move it over. Here is another plain bundle. And twist. And this is what we have so far. So this is one section full. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this whole wreath form. Okay, the wreath is full now, so it does take exactly 18 bunches to fill this up. I've made quite a few of these because I really do love this faux snow mesh from Dollar Tree. I think it's one of the best things they've put out. So with that being said, I just messed with the mesh a little bit, moved it around. Yeah. So next we'll take our little sign and we'll find where we want to secure it on. I'm gonna put it right on this side, I believe, right between the 2 bunches of ribbon. And all I'm going to do to attach this sign is hot glue it on. And my neighbor is currently walking by with her dog, so my puppy is trying to act like a big man out on the porch, and I'm pretty sure you can hear him. He's got little man syndrome. He's a little Shih Tzu trying to eat a black lab. So here's our other little embellishment. I'm not really sure where I want it yet. So,
alright, so once again, my phone cut off because I forgot to delete all my old video, but I didn't really do anything fancy here. I just found some little leftover sprays that I had and stuck them into the wreath. I did put on the little sleigh, and I added a really simple 6-loop bow up there. So this is the finished product, and thank you for watching.